Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about top psychology books. 1. The Principles of Psychology by William James. A foundational text that covers a wide range of psychological concepts and theories. 2. Psychology, Themes and Variations by Wayne Wheaton. Provides a comprehensive overview of various psychological topics with engaging writing and visuals. 3. The Interpretation of Dreams by Sigmund Freud. Freud's seminal work on the theory of dreams and the unconscious mind. 4. Thinking, Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. Explores the dual systems of thought and their impact on decision-making. 5. Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert B. Cialdini. Examines the principles of persuasion and how they can be applied in various contexts. 6. Abnormal Psychology by Ronald J. Kummer. Provides insights into psychological disorders and their treatments. 7. Cognitive Psychology, A Student's Handbook by Michael W. Eysenck and Mark T. Keene. A detailed guide to cognitive psychology, covering key theories and research. 8. The Social Animal by Elliot Aronson. An in-depth look at social psychology and human behavior. 9. Developmental Psychology, Childhood and Adolescence by David R. Schaffer and Catherine Kipp. Focuses on the development of individuals from childhood through adolescence. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye-bye.